Parliament is a system. Okay, Parliament is a system which is imposed or which is established by law. Okay, Parliament is a system which is established by law, which is having various components. Okay, which is having various components. So there is no one definition for Parliament. Okay, there is no one definition for Parliament. It is consists of various components. So the components of the parliaments: president, okay, president, then Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Okay, president, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha. These three components, okay, these three components are collectively called as the parliamentary system. Okay, these three components are collectively called as the parliament. Okay, so it is not just one body. Okay, it is not just one body. It includes legislature, it includes executive, it includes cabinet ministers, it includes cabinet committees, constitutional committees. Then it includes the President of India, it includes Vice President of India, it includes Speaker of Lok Sabha, it includes Prime Minister of India. Okay, all these people, all these the systems, they when collectively sit together, that system or that thing is called as the parliamentary system or the Parliament of India. Okay, so this parliamentary system or the parliament, okay, the parliament is given into Article 75, 76. Okay, no 75, it is 74 and 5. Sorry, it is given into 74, 25. Okay, the parliament, okay, parliament, the articles 74 and 75. Okay, the articles 74 and 75, they talk about, okay, they talk about the parliamentary system in India. Okay, they talk about parliamentary system in India. And articles 163, 164. Okay, articles 163 and 164, they talk about the state legislature. Okay, they talk about state legislature. Okay, state legislature मतलब Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad. Okay, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, where the MLAs and MLCs are being elected. Okay, MLAs and MLCs जहाँ पे elect होते हैं, those are called as the state legislature. So remember this article 74, 75, parliament means the central government. This is for the central government. Okay, article 74 and 75 are for the central government, and article 163 and 164 for the state government. Okay, ठीक है, समझ में आया? भूलना मत, these articles are important. Okay, these articles are important. Okay. Now this parliamentary system or the parliament, okay, this parliament is of two types. Okay, there are two types of parliaments. Okay, there are two types of parliaments: the presidential not the parliament, but democracy. Okay, not the parliament, but the democracy. So this democracy has two types: presidential democracy and parliamentary democracy. Okay, two types of democracies are there: presidential democracy and parliamentary democracy. So this presidential democracy is experienced by USA. Okay, this is experienced by USA, where in case of presidential democracy, the head of the state, okay, head of the state and head of government, okay, head of the state and head of the government, these both are the same. Okay, head of the government and head of the state is one and the same person. Means at present Donald Trump, okay, at present Donald Trump is head of the nation, which is USA, as well as he is the head of the government. Okay, he is the head of the government. But in the parliamentary system, okay, in the parliamentary system, head of the state is different, head of the government is different. Okay, there is two-way democracy. Okay, head of the state is different, head of the government is different. Okay, we have seen in the republic. Okay, वो republic वाला याद है? That word republic in the preamble of constitution. Okay, what this word republic in the constitution or the preamble of the constitution says? That the head of the state is the elected one. Okay, the head of the state is the elected one. Okay, so in India we have republic. Okay, in India we have republic. So the head of the state, which is the president of India, is elected president, not the monarch. Okay, the head of Indian state, okay, head of Indian state is a elected member. Okay, head of Indian state is an elected member, is an elected executive. Okay, he is not the monarch or not any not the one who has got the kingdom as hereditary privilege. Okay, समझे? So there are two types of governments. One is the presidential government, another one is parliamentary government. We at present in India, okay, we at present in India have adopted the parliamentary form. Okay, we have adopted the parliamentary form of government. Okay, this government or this type of government or the parliamentary form of government is also called as the Westminster type of government. Okay, Westminster. Okay, Westminster type of government. Okay, since this entire system has been adopted as it was from the Parliament of Britain. Okay, this system is entirely taken or entirely borrowed from the Parliament of Britain or England. Okay, so British Parliament कैसी होती है? This British Parliament, there is Queen. Okay, Queen, which is a monarch. Okay, Queen or King, whatever it means. Okay, at present we will talk about the present. So at present there is Queen. Okay, Queen, who is a monarch. Okay, there is a queen who is a monarch. Then after her, she is the head of the state. Okay, queen is the head of the state. She is not the head of the government. Okay, queen is the head of the state, not the head of the government. Okay, the head of the government is prime minister. Okay, head of the government is prime minister. Prime minister is the member of either House of Commons or House of Lords. Okay, House of Commons or House of Lords. House of Commons is equivalent to Lok Sabha. House of Lords is equivalent to Rajya Sabha. Okay, House of Commons is equivalent to Lok Sabha. House of Lords is equivalent to Rajya Sabha. Okay, so they call them as upper house and lower house. Okay, upper house and lower house. But in India, there is nothing written about it in the constitution. Okay, in India, it is nothing written about this, that this house is a lower house and this house is a upper house. Okay, this has never been written, but still we have adopted this model from England. Hence, we do call the Lok Sabha as the lower house and Rajya Sabha as the upper house. Okay, ठीक है, समझ में आया? Okay, there was एक statement होता है science. There is a statement in science, in biology. Whenever I say, or whenever anybody says, what did you study in school? एक statement आता है हमेशा. One statement is there, which everybody has learned. What is that?
Hierarchy.
Science मतलब रे. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of a cell. याद है कि भूल गए?
हाँ सर याद है.
हाँ, ये स्टेटमेंट अगर तुम भूल गए, then you are not a student of science. Okay, mitochondria is a powerhouse of a cell. Okay, same way cabinet is the powerhouse of the parliament. Okay, just like that of the mitochondria is the power of the cell. Okay, mitochondria is the powerhouse of a cell. Cabinet is the powerhouse or the nucleus of power of the parliament. Okay, cabinet is the nucleus of power parliament. Okay, cabinet is the nucleus of power of the parliament. Okay, now this according to this model, okay, according to the parliamentary model what India has adopted, there is a prime minister. Okay, there is a prime minister. After him there are cabinet ministers. Then there are state ministers or ministers of state. Okay, ministers of state. Okay, after them ministers of state, independent church. Okay, ministers of state, independent church, and after them deputy ministers. Okay, so this form the entire cabinet. Okay, this form the entire cabinet. So if you look it as the planetary system, so prime minister is the center of power. Okay, prime minister is the center of power, after which there is cabinet, there is ministers of state with independent church, and deputy ministers. Okay, and the deputy minister. So with this is the division of the power among the cabinet ministers or the ministers, or this system is called as the executive. Okay, this system is called as the executive system. I told you in the very first lecture of polity. Okay, in the very first lecture of polity, I've told you of the difference between legislature and executive. Okay, legislatives and executives. Okay, what is executive and what is legislative? Legislature क्या है और executive क्या है?
जो मंत्री चुन के आते हैं मंत्री वो एग्जीक्यूटिव है, और जो ओनली एमएलए या एमपी होते हैं वो लेजिस्लेटिव.
Correct. Okay, so these executives are nothing but the MPs. Okay, executives are nothing but the MPs who have given the responsibilities to be a minister. Okay, to be a minister. Okay, so they are the executives which are among the legislative. So prime minister is also a legislative. Okay, prime minister is also legislative. Okay, who is the executive? Okay, so prime minister is described as first among equals. Okay, the prime minister is defined as first among equals. Okay, he is first among equal, means everybody sitting there. Okay, everybody sitting there is equal. When you see Lok Sabha, if you have seen the Lok Sabha TV or Lok Sabha, I don't know. If you see Lok Sabha, everybody is sitting there. Okay, and the ruling party is there, the opposition party is there. So all these are the MPs. Okay, all these are nothing but the MPs. Okay, and prime minister is the first person to be to have the seat. Okay, prime minister is the first person to have the seat. Okay, the best the main seat of the Lok Sabha is given to the prime minister. Okay, why is it so? Because he is the first among the equals. He is equal to the MPs. Okay, he is equal to the MPs, but he is having the major responsibilities. Okay, the prime minister has the major responsibilities. Okay, hence he is described as the first among the equals. Okay, ठीक समझ में आएगा the prime minister वाला क्वेश्चन. चलो next. Now the features of the parliamentary democracy. There are various features of the parliamentary democracy. The first feature is nominal and real executive. Nominal and the real executive. Nominal and real executive. Okay, so there are in the parliamentary democracy or in the parliamentary system of the democracy, there is a provision to have a nominal executive as well as the real executive. Okay, the nominal executive as well as the real executive. So in case of India, the president of India is nominal executive. Okay, the president of India is a executive. Okay, president of India is nominal executive, and the prime minister, okay, prime minister is the real executive. Okay, president of India is a nominal executive, prime minister of India is a real executive. Though president is the head of the state. Okay, president is the head of the state, the prime minister is head of government. Okay, the prime minister is head of the government. Okay, so it has been given, this definition of prime minister is given in Article 74. Okay, this is given in the Article 74. So this Article 74 provides a council of ministers. Okay, the council of ministers, which is headed by prime minister. Okay, which is headed by prime minister, and this Article 74 enables prime minister to become a real executive. Okay, this Article 74 enables prime minister to become a real executive. समझ में आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
So, since prime minister is the real executive, okay, since prime minister is the real executive, whatever the powers are given to the president, okay, whatever the powers are given to the president of India are enjoyed by prime minister himself. Okay, so president, okay, he uses and he enjoys the power of the president. Means what? These powers, whatever the powers are given or whatever the duties of the prime minister is there, okay, whatever the duties of prime ministers are there, these duties or these responsibilities are actually given to the president. Okay, these are actually given to the president, but it has been said that since the president is the nominal executive, since the president is the head of the state and the prime minister is head of the government, the prime minister must use, okay, the prime minister must use the powers given to the president by his own name. Okay, means what? Whatever the law is made by prime minister, okay, law is made by prime minister, but it will be imposed or it will be enacted, okay, it will be enacted by the name of president. Okay, मतलब लॉ कोई भी बनाए, क्रेडिट प्रेसिडेंट ले, ठीक, मींस काम तुम करो, क्रेडिट मैं लूंगा, ही इज द बॉस, ही इज द बॉस. ओके,
इसलिए सर वो प्रधानमंत्री के नाम से बहुत सारी योजनाएं वगैरह बनती रहती है क्या?
हाँ, इसीलिए प्रधानमंत्री के नाम से बनते हैं, ताकि एटलीस्ट वो प्रधानमंत्री का नाम तो रहे. ओके, प्रेसिडेंट का नाम नहीं होता है, हर जगह प्रेसिडेंट का नाम नहीं होता. Okay, actually that is the provision, because since you cannot use the name of president in the योजना and all, okay, इन सब चीजों में प्रेसिडेंट का नाम यूज नहीं कर सकते, मतलब इस पोस्ट को यूज नहीं कर सकते प्रेसिडेंट. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते प्रेसिडेंट गरीब कल्याण योजना, राष्ट्रपति गरीब कल्याण योजना, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते, प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण योजना ही बोलना पड़ेगा. ओके, समझे? दिस पावर ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट एंड पावर ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर, ये हम देखेंगे फिर से इसमें, प्रेसिडेंट एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर वाला चैप्टर देखेंगे. तो second is the second feature majority party rule. Okay, so whichever party comes in the majority, okay, whichever party comes in the majority of general elections, okay, whichever party comes in the majority by the general elections mean the Lok Sabha elections. Okay, general elections means the Lok Sabha elections which are held in every 5 years. Okay, which are held in every 5 years. Okay, so whatever party comes in the majority means 273 plus. Okay, 273 plus. How many posts? How many MPs should be there? MPs कितने होते हैं?
543.
545.
545.
Okay, 545 is the total number of MPs in India. Okay, this is the total number of MPs in India. Okay, among 545, if you get 273 plus or exactly 273, okay, exactly 273 or 273 plus, then you can form a government. Okay, then and only then you can form a government. So it is not possible every time for the parties. Okay, it is not possible for every time for a single get such a majority. Okay, to get such a majority. So in that case, the coalition governments are formed. Okay, the coalition governments are formed. Coalition government means the governments which includes more than one party or more than two parties, 10 parties, 50 parties, whatever. Okay, alliance government, coalition governments are there. Okay, just like the government of Dr. Manmohan Singh, 2009. Okay, 2009 to 2014. This government had some 25 parties included. Okay, 25 or 50 parties, पता नहीं exactly, but बहुत बड़ा था. Okay, some 20 or 25 parties, so छोटी-छोटी जो parties होती हैं, regional parties. Okay, those were the participants of that government. Okay, after 2014. These governments, okay, after 2014, the government of BJP, okay, BJP government is the majority government. They do not have the, they do not need the coalition. Okay, उन्हें किसी coalition की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. Okay, they could form the government by their own, and the leader of these parliamentary committee, okay, or the leader of this party, okay, leader of this party is Prime Minister. Okay, leader of this party is the Prime Minister. Okay, समझे? So this Prime Minister is appointed by President. Okay, Prime Minister is appointed by President. Okay, वैसे नाम के लिए बाकी तो सब फिक्स ही होता है. Everybody knows. Okay. Everybody knew that in 2014, everybody knew that Narendra Modi will be the next Prime Minister of India. Okay. So appointed by President. This is just the formality. Okay. This remains just the formality. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो. आगे बढ़े क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Next, the next feature of the parliamentary system. Okay, next feature of the parliamentary system is the collective responsibility. Collective responsibility. Now here the executives, okay, executives are responsible or executives are answerable to the legislatives. Okay, executive are responsible legislatives. Okay, means whatever the decisions which are taken by the executive committee, okay, whatever the decisions are taken by the executive committee is to be discussed with the legislatives as well. Okay, legislatives के साथ भी उसको discuss किया जाना चाहिए because executives are among the legislatives itself. Okay, executive council is made from the legislatives themselves. Okay, hence executives are responsible to the legislators. Okay, so it is a collective responsibility. Okay, this is a collective responsibility that executive should not get some decisions which are not discussed with these guys. Okay, okay, this is a collective responsibility. Next, the double membership. Double membership. Now this double membership means these ministers, okay, ministers, they are the members. Okay, ministers are the members of executive as well as legislative council. Okay, they are the members of executive as well as legislative council. Okay, so they have the dual member, this double membership. Okay, in same house. Okay, in same house they have the dual membership or the double membership. Okay, constitution has a right. Constitution allows any person who is not the member of the legislative council to become a minister. Okay, constitution has a provision. Okay, there is a provision in the constitution that any person who is not the member of any of the houses, okay, he is not the member of any of the houses, means not the member of the Lok Sabha, not the Rajya Sabha. Okay, neither Lok Sabha, neither not Rajya Sabha, but still he can be a minister. Okay, he can be a minister. There is a provision, but the condition is that if you become a minister, okay, if you become a minister, if say suppose Pratik, okay, Pratik has become the education minister of India. Okay, he has to become the education minister of India. Okay, he become the education minister of India. Okay, but he is not the member of either of the houses. He is not the member of Lok Sabha. He is not the member of Rajya Sabha. So what will happen with his ministry? Will his ministry gone? No. Okay, his ministry will not go. Will not go anywhere. Okay, for a period of 6 months. Okay, so our Pratik will remain education minister of India. Okay, Pratik will remain education minister of India for the period of 6 months, even without having any membership of the house. But within these 6 months, Pratik will need to be elected. Okay, Pratik will need to be elected as the member of either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, any of these two houses. Okay, समझ में आया? Then and only then he can continue his ministry. Okay, then and only then he can continue his ministry. Okay, if Pratik wants to continue his ministry, then he will need to have be elected, get elected or nominated. Okay, need to get elected or nominated to either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha.
But sir, then one of the MPs should surrender his seat from Lok Sabha.
Oh, yeah, that is at the adjustment. Nothing but the adjustment.
Okay.
मतलब if you are going to become a minister and one your friend is there who is MP, so ask your friend यार resign कर दे मैं बन जाता हूँ, है ना, मैं बन जाता हूँ, फिर बाद में तुझे UGC का या थोड़ा किसी एक आयोग का सदस्य बना दूंगा, हेड बना दूंगा. गवर्नमेंट ऐसी चलती है इंडिया में. Indian government runs like this only. Okay, government of India runs like this only. If a person resigns as an MP, okay, if a person resigns as an MP, so उसको compensation में कुछ तो देना पड़ेगा ना. Something you need to give him as the compensation. वो तो लोगों से चुन के आया है, उसने करोड़ों रुपए खर्च किए, ठीक है, करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करके वो MP बना है, and after being MP you are asking him to resign. Why? Just because you have to save your ministry. Okay, you have to save your ministry. So आप उसको रिजाइन करने के लिए बोल रहे हो, तो उसको कंपनसेशन में कुछ ना कुछ देना पड़ेगा. अब क्या दोगे? if you are becoming the education minister, तो उस अपने दोस्त को UGC का हेड बना, simple सी बात, which is non-constitutional post. Okay, head of UGC, non-constitutional post. ठीक है, समझ में आया?
हाँ
सर कि कोई भी मिनिस्टर मतलब 1 या 2 महीने के लिए भी इलेक्ट होके आता है, उसको बाद में पूरी जिंदगी भर बाकी फैसिलिटी ना एज एक्स मेंबर करके जो फैसिलिटीज है,
हाँ,
जैसे कि पेंशन या वगैरह, वो कितने भी टाइम
नहीं, MP के लिए नहीं मिलेगी, मतलब as a MP नहीं मिलेगी. If he is MP, okay, if he is MP, he will get the identity card as ex-MP. Okay, he will get the card, identity card as ex-MP, and then he can enjoy the perks and perks. Okay, वैसा नहीं है कि वो मिनिस्टर बन गया और MP नहीं है फिर भी उसको सब कुछ मिलने वाला है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. ठीक है, चलो समझे ये दिस डबल मेंबरशिप वाला ये एंड दिस. Okay, the very recent example of this is CM of Maharashtra. Okay, very recent example of this is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray. Okay, when Uddhav Thackeray became the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, he was not the member of any of the houses. He was not the member of the Vidhan Sabha, not the member of Vidhan Parishad. Okay, ना तो विधान परिषद में था ना तो विधान सभा में, but still he served as the CM for 6 months. Okay, he served as a CM for 6 months, and after 6 months he was nominated to the Vidhan Parishad, okay, legislative council. He was elected to the legislative council. So then he used to serve, or he succeeded to serve his CMship. Okay, sure. Next is the leadership Prime Minister. Okay. Role means that role which is you can become a minister without being even without being the member of any of the houses. It is applicable as well to the Prime Minister itself. Okay, Prime Minister पे भी applicable है. Means you can become a Prime Minister for 6 months. Okay, you can become a Prime Minister for 6 months even if you are not the member of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. ठीक है, अगर आपका उत्तर बड़ा जुगाड़ है वहां तक का अगर आपका जुगाड़ है, लगा लो, चेक लगा लो, 6 महीने के लिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना हो गया. ठीक है, चलो लीडरशिप ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. In the parliamentary government or in the parliamentary form of government, the actual or the real executive is the prime minister. Okay, actual leader or the actual executive or the real executive is the prime minister. Okay, so the leader of the cabinet, okay, the leader of the cabinet is also the prime minister. In case if the government fails, okay, in case if government fails, so government fails means either the death of prime minister, okay, either the death of prime minister or resignation of prime minister. Okay, these two scenarios are there. Okay, these two scenarios are there, either the death of prime minister or resignation of prime minister. Okay, या तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर मर जाए या तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर रिजाइन कर जाए. His entire cabinet is supposed to be resigned. Okay, पूरी की पूरी कैबिनेट डिसॉल्व हो जाती है. ठीक, either prime minister has died or prime minister has resigned. Okay, prime minister has died or prime minister has resigned. The cabinet is dissolved. Okay, the cabinet is dissolved means Pratik is now a prime minister. Okay, Pratik is now a prime minister and he has taken Dharmadeep, he has taken Mayank, he has taken Gaurav, okay, he has taken Mansi, Ashapurna, Akanksha. So all his friends. Okay, all his friends as the cabinet ministers. Okay, all his friends as the cabinet ministers. और उसके बाद प्रतीक को हार्ट अटैक आ गया. Okay, प्रतीक has got the heart attack. प्रतीक has got heart failure. प्रतीक को उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड ने धोखा दे दिया. And Pratik has got the heart failure. Okay, so Pratik died. Okay, Pratik died. प्रतीक के मरने के बाद ये जितने भी मिनिस्टर्स बने थे, धर्मदीप, सोनल, आशापूर्णा, आकांक्षा, मानसी, all these people who became ministers, they will lose their ministry automatically. Okay, automatically. ठीक. ये दिल वाले पूछे थे. हाँ, ये मीमर को समझ में आता है. दोनों के दिमाग में वो गाना चल रहा होगा. ओ वाला है ना. ठीक, समझ में है. what I am trying to explain you is this. Okay, or if Pratik has made his cabinet. Okay, Pratik has made his cabinet with his friends and Pratik के घर पे झगड़ा हो गया. Okay, Pratik के घर पे झगड़ा हो गया. Pratik's wife says that you have taken Mansi, you have taken Ashapurna, you have taken Akanksha, you have taken Sonal, and you did not take me. You did not take me, or you did not take me in your cabinet. Why is it so? Okay, why is it so? So Pratik has got the fight with his wife in the home. Pratik को बहुत गुस्सा आया, उसने resign कर. Okay, Pratik को बहुत गुस्सा आया and उसने resign कर. So automatically his friends also lost their ministries. और फिर सब उसके घर पे जाके उसको पीटेंगे. ये देखो औरत का चक्कर. Okay. So these are the examples. These are the real life examples. Okay. क्या बोल रहे हैं जी? राजीव गांधी जी के मरने के बाद क्या हो गया था? कुछ नहीं. कैबिनेट डिसॉल्व हो गई, फिर से इलेक्शंस हो गए.
सर फिर से पहले से इलेक्शन होंगे.
See, I'm telling them, if there is in such case, when the government fails, okay, in such case when government fails, now प्रतीक तो मर गया, तो फिर प्रतीक ने रिजाइन कर दिया. ठीक है. साइड में बैठा था पुरंदर. ठीक है, साइड में बैठा है पुरंदर इज देयर, and Purandar is the leader of opposition. Okay, Purandar is the leader of opposition, and with Purandar his 20 friends are there. Okay, his 20 friends, Nikhil hai, then Pranay hai. Okay, Dhammadeep has changed the party. Okay, Sonal has changed the party. Okay, they are now in the opposition. In this case, when Pratik either died or resigned, okay, Pratik either died or resigned, Purandar can form his own government. Okay, the president asks the leader of opposition. Okay, the president asks the leader of the opposition. Okay, leader of the opposition to form the government if he can. Okay, if he can. ठीक है. और स्ट्रेट. हाँ, तो अब तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स है, तुम देखते बैठो. ठीक है, तुम्हारे फ्रेंड से तुम लोग देखो. तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? मैंने तो मस्त तुमको कैबिनेट बना के दिया. ओके, सो पुरंदर में फॉर्म अ गवर्नमेंट. ओके, पुरंदर में फॉर्म अ गवर्नमेंट. ओके
सर, सेम पार्टी के नहीं बन सकते?
हाँ,
सेम पार्टी